As you know, I come from Mexico, and I was thinking what I wanted to share with you. And I decided to share my experience in terms of coordinating the last 2 reforms that Mexico implemented in terms of energy and what we learned. And we learned a lot. As you know, Mexico has been producing more than 100 years oil. And in fact, during the last 10 years, we were involved in terms of creating an energy sector that's going to be productive, efficient, and sustainable. And there were 5 lessons that we learned, and I think are very valuable for Guyana in terms of what they are experiencing right now. And the first one has to be that you have to have a holistic approach. Don't think just about oil and gas. Think about energy. Because otherwise, you risk having a Dutch disease, putting all the resources into oil and gas. Having energy and energy focus will help you in order to have a right balanced energy matrix, as it was said before. Second lesson is you have to have a very robust regulatory framework. And that means recognizing that the energy sector needs to have 3 pieces. The first one is planning, the second one is regulation, and the third one is operation. And it has to be done by different agencies that has autonomy in terms of budgetary and also in terms of operations. Normally, the planning is being done by an energy ministry, the regulatory by an independent and technically very robust agency, petroleum agency or downstream agency, and the third one is being done by the market, by the participants. Here, the technical part becomes very critical because at the end, this is the agency that is going to be representing the Guyana government and state in terms of the negotiations, the technical negotiations with operators, the recovery cost, what's the right amount of royalties, what's the development plan of the fields, how are you going to be exploiting in an efficient way the reservoirs, and that has to be very technical, robust, with very experienced people there. The third thing that we're experiencing, and I think it's probably one of the most important things, is that transparency is a critical issue. At the end, making public all the contracts becomes very, very important. It gives a lot of a robust system for the government that everything was transparent, and it protects both the government and the companies. As a fourth lesson that we learned is that instead of talking about national content, the discussion has to be about national development. When you talk about national content, you tend to focus only on developing factors and not on developing people. And you need to focus on educating, having better competences, and having better persons in terms of capacities. A lot of the breakthroughs that are being experienced in the oil and gas business is in artificial intelligence, where you make more optimization, algorithms, etc., how you drill faster, and that has to do with software, with people, not with hardware. Focusing on national content tends to have a focus on the past. You need to look in the future. And finally, the fifth lesson that we learned is that information probably is more important than the resource base. Because at the end, information develops at a faster pace the development of the resources. You have to decide who has the property rights of the information. What are the rights and obligations? I mean, how the information can be accessed, shared, or delivered by the government. What are the schemes to generate new information? What are the restrictions in terms of confidentiality among the different companies and the government? And how is going to be the information being managed? This is so critical that just to give you a context, in Mexico, we developed in 4 years more than 500% of seismic information compared to 100 years of history. In just 4 years, we did more seismic information than in 100 years. We had investments of almost 3 billion in 4 years. And we developed, and the government got 250 million of revenue just because of that purpose. And that information is so critical because at the end, it's going to be the key in order to calculate the cost recovery, which is the critical component for the PSAs that the Guyana government signed with different entities. Thank you very much. I hope this was enough.